All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome, everyone, to the Catalocity Nokia Challenge. As you can see, we waited a couple of minutes for everybody to join. Yes, so today is all about welcoming you to this live session and to the Nokia Catalocity Challenge. But before we start, we would like to set some house rules. So this live session will be recorded and we will make it available on YouTube. So we will basically share with you the video, embed it on Eventornado so you can rewatch it anytime. The second thing is that you can submit your questions anytime using the Q&A button or the chat button. Maybe the chat button is better. We will answer them at the end of this live session. In case we can't get all of your questions today, no worries. You always have Discord, so any question that you might have, also maybe later after the live session, if they comes to your mind, you can reach out to us anytime, whenever you want on Discord. And at last, we will be done by 4 p.m. So we're gonna steal 1 hour of your time. So what is the agenda of this meeting? After the house rules that I just gave you, we will welcome on stage Dr. Mehdi Ghommem from the American University of Sharjah and Mr. Danial Mausoof from Nokia. They will provide you with a high-level introduction to the Catalocity Challenge and a general welcome to it. After that, I will come back on stage. I will explain to you the whole Catalocity process, meaning how the program will evolve throughout the months that we will stay together. What are the deliverables that you should submit throughout what are the milestones, right, that you should submit throughout the whole event. And also, I will help you on how to leverage Eventornado. As you already know, you register on our hackathon platform, Eventornado. And in there is the place where you will need to submit the deliverables, but also is the place to understand, for example, who are the coaches and also how you can reach out to them throughout the event. Of course, you will be supported by incredible, amazing coaches on this event. Once we are done with the process, I will provide you with the next steps. Basically, I will tell you when we will meet again and what we will talk about next time. And then after that, we can all go on with our day and continue. I'm going to give you, of course, a thank you for being here. All right, so without further ado, I would like to welcome on stage Dr. Mehdi Ghommem and Danial Mausoof from Nokia. Hi, Mehdi. Hi, Dr. Mehdi. How are you doing?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you see me? Am I audible?
Perfect.
Yes, we can hear you and see you, yes.
All right, excellent. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It's really my pleasure, to be part of the launch of this great program. And I would like to take this opportunity to really thank the Nokia team, okay, for bringing this opportunity to our students. And I'm sure that, we will work together to make it really successful. So this initiative actually reflects our collective commitment when it comes to prepare students not only as strong engineers or computer science, but also as problem solvers who can use technology to address real challenges, facing our society. Before I continue, actually, I would like to convey the warm regards of the Dean, Dr. Fadi Alloul. Unfortunately, he could not actually join us today because he had several university commitments. It's very busy during this period, especially before Ramadan. But I want to convey, his message. He really, supports this program and encourages all the students really to be engaged and to heavily participate in such initiative. So this will be the first edition. It was exclusively open to our students at the College of Engineering. And we would like really for our students really to benefit from this opportunity. Now, I see it's much more than a simple competition. So it is a learning experience that would allow our students to work in teams, apply AI to real world problems. So especially we have, three challenges with different scopes related to sustainability, healthcare, and so on. So actually, we want really our students to take this opportunity because they will be working closely with experts, with industry leaders. So either in sustainability, health, well-being, communication. So we want you really to have a benefit from this program. And again, big thanks to the Nokia team and all the organizing team for this initiative. So my last word would be a strong encouragement to really take it very seriously. So work closely with your teams, be creative and challenge yourself. I'll be here. Please feel free to approach me whenever needed. I know that there is a very nice, platform that we have. Thank you, Michele, for putting all of this. I was really amazed with the system that you put in place. And I think this will be very helpful, as we move forward with the program. So again, it's a good opportunity. We see it's an initiative that would bridge between the academic learning and also the real industry needs. We look forward to seeing, your great ideas, your prototypes. Hopefully, we want really to see tangible products at the end, and we want to see like your ambition coming to life, by the end of this program. Thank you again to all the Nokia team, Michele, for putting this nice system in place. Thank you to all the participants. Okay, and I wish you all the success in this exciting journey. Again, I'll be around. I'll be available whenever needed, and would like really to have a very successful program. Hopefully that within maybe 3 to 4 months from now we will celebrate the success of the program all together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mehdi, for this and for your kind words. So again, thank you so much. Danial, are you there with us? Hi, Danial. How you doing?
I'm very good. Thank you, Michele. Appreciate it. I think Dr. Mehdi said everything here. I think it's very exciting to have all of you as part of this, I guess, community in a way. And that's what we really want you to feel that we're trying to build here. It is a community of students, it's a community of mentors, a community of coaches, and we're all here to work together to determine what could be the future technological innovations that we would like to see in the UAE and beyond. I want to thank every student that is taking part here, has taken the time to get on the platform, which has been very finely created by Michele and the team. I also want to give my thanks to AUS as being our partner in this. I know it's been a little bit of a journey since we first talked in October to get here. And I think that's always good because we validate and we make sure that that's something that we want to build together. So to you, Dr. Mehdi, to Dr. Fadi from my side, I think it's been an incredible journey for us. And of course, to my team, here, Sid, Mehdi, Maikem, and others who have been working very intensely for the last few weeks to get this going. So I will leave it at that. I just want you to feel part of the community. Nokia is a leader in technology. You will take a lot away from what we're trying to build here together. We are at the forefront of technology when it comes to not only mobile communication, optics, data center, as well as artificial intelligence. And I think that all combined together is really how do we move and determine and define the future of the workforce that will stand here in this country. So within the vision of AUS, within the vision of Nokia, and broadly the vision of the UAE, I think you are all blessed to be part of this program. I think you're certainly going to take a lot back from this. So I wish you all the best. And again, thanks to all the participants, and thanks to our sponsors, AUS, and thanks to the team that has put this together. So look forward to an incredible journey together, and hopefully celebrating at the end with some benefits, hopefully, for some of you. So look forward to that. Back to you, Michele.
Thank you so much, Daniel, and thank you so much again, Dr. Mehdi. Yes, so let's go on and let's cover the Catalocity process. You have seen these logos right now on this slide. As you know, Nokia and American University of Sharjah are involved, but we do also have another partner, which is Thai Dubai. I will mention them now in the Catalocity process because they are involved in this. Now let's go to the timeline. Let's see how the event will evolve. Today, it's all about live session number 1. I already explained to you what we're going to do today, but on the live session number 2, which is right now planned for the 27th of February, so right before the challenge starts, the plan for that live session is to provide you with an overview of all the coaches that will support you throughout the hackathon, but also give you the evaluation criteria that we will use, the jury members will use to evaluate your ideas, how many teams will get to the finals, all of the details of the final event. But we will also we have planned a session with Thai Dubai. They will give a speech on idea to incorporation. So we highly recommend you guys mark your calendars for the 27th of February. As we did for this live session, we will send you the calendar invite and also some reminders. So there is no way you can miss it. All right, so this is the first phase. We are now in the live sessions phases. But what happens next? So on the 27th of February, right after the live session, we will actually start with the program. Okay, the first phase is called ramp up and fit phase, and why we called it like that? Because what you need to submit at the end of this phase, which is the 23rd of March, which is roughly 1 month to do that, you need to submit the deliverable number 1. Deliverable number 1, in there you have some questions, and these questions are designed for you to understand how your idea can fit into Catalocity. So the deliverable number 1 is a page summary. Again, it focuses on presenting the foundation of your idea, and again, why is it aligned with the Catalocity vision and challenges. So yeah, this is the first deliverable. You have almost 1 month to do that, and again, as I said before, you will have all the coaches to support you in this. Let's go to the second phase. The second phase is called deep down into the idea phase. Okay, so once you have defined and understood how your idea fits into Catalocity, now it's time to develop it a little bit more. This phase we start right after the first phase, so on the 23rd of March at 1 p.m. And the outcome of this phase should be a presentation, which is the deliverable number 2, due on the 10th of April. You have a little bit less time because of university constraints, because you guys have, you cannot be fully engaged in that moment. You have other issues or other tasks. But we believe that 17 days, 18 days are enough to submit this task. What is the deliverable number 2? Deliverable number 2 is the idea presentation. So it focuses on providing more details and key aspects of your idea. For example, who are the target users of your idea? What is the technical approach that you are applying? Maybe you have a fantastic idea, maybe it's amazing, but is it feasible? Okay, what is its potential impact? And some other questions that you have on the template of the deliverable number 2. So in general, the goal of deliverable number 2 is to provide a comprehensive view of your idea and how it applies to the real world. Okay, an idea is great, but then we need to apply it on the real world. So this is the end of the second phase. Let's go to the last phase. Dr. Mehdi at the beginning was mentioning in his introductory words that what we are looking for as a final outcome is an actual prototype. Okay, so the last phase of Catalocity will focus exactly on this. And we have 2 deliverables to be submitted. One of them is a deliverable number 3. It is completely optional, but it is an extra space for you to provide additional evidence to support your solution. I don't know, do you have a list of references of books that you've read? Or do you have additional document? Have you developed a website or maybe something, a prototype on Figma, and you want to share it there to be accessible to the organizers? Then you can do it. Again, it's completely optional, but if you have the chance to fill it in, provides us more details on your idea. The second deliverable is a video demo of your solution. Okay, so the deliverable number 4, sorry. So basically in here, you need to record a video where you demonstrate your prototype, okay? Showcase your solution and how it could work in practice. All the details about the duration of the video, how you should record it, are in the challenge guide, which I will show you in a second. So these are the phases of Catalocity. And let's go to the final, sorry, the deadline to submit this is the 29th of April. So on the 29th of April, your commitment in the phases of a Catalocity will end in terms of deliverables. After that, we will start with the first round of evaluation. It will start right after the submission of the deliverable number 3 and 4 on the 29th of April. The jury members will have around 6 days to evaluate your ideas, and that will culminate in the selection of the best 5 teams that will join the in-person pitching and award ceremony. It's planned for the 6th of May. Time and details will be shared once they are more defined. So during the pitching and award ceremony, what is going to happen is that you basically will pitch your idea in front of the jury members, and they will have a second round of evaluation to provide you additional points. In this first round of evaluation, you can reach up to 60 points. And then in this second round of evaluation during the pitching and award ceremony, we can give you an extra 40 points. So in total, you can reach a maximum of 100 points. So this is the timeline. Again, if you have any question, you can use the chat assist, the chat communication tool here on Zoom anytime. I don't see any of them. Feel free to think about it, and we will reply at the end. So this is the process. This is the timeline. Now let's get a little bit more technical and understand how you can use Eventornado. So I'm gonna open Eventornado here. If you don't see my screen with Eventornado, please let me know. But I believe it's now shared. So you all know this platform as a participant. What I wanted to share with you right now is that first of all, the banner will be updated with the Thai logo soon. Second, here, you have already explored this. Let's go to the event chat. Okay, this is very important. The event chat is Discord. I know that some of you asked already on Discord why you need to use this tool. And the reason is that the support from the coaches will happen on Discord. It's much more simpler to, let's say, coordinate everything from there. So if you haven't done yet, please click on this button, and in your case will be connect to Discord. Once you click on this button, we will connect your Discord user to Discord, and you will be given access to this. This is our Catalocity community. This is our server. We have a lot of people in there, as you can already see. And we will have the coaches channel here, where we will soon provide you the details on how to reach out to them. For now, it's empty, but bear with us, stay with us. we will give you these details in the upcoming days or week. Now, imagine that you are in a team as a team leader, or also not as a team member. You will see the My Team tab. For example, my team is called Bewitch Community, random name. So if I go to Discord, you will see that we automatically created a chat for you, and all of your team members are added here. So this will be the place for you to communicate with your team members. You're completely free to use something else. For example, if you are with your colleagues at the university and you would like to use Telegram, WhatsApp, whatever, you can use it. But this will be the place where we will add the coach to reach out to you. So this will be the only place where you can communicate with your assigned coach. In here, you can receive also announcement from myself, deadlines, reminders. For example, right now, I just send you the reminder for the live session. So keep an eye on this for the development of the phases of the Catalocity challenge. Now, imagine that you are in a team. Imagine that you need to submit deliverable number 1. How can you do that? It's very simple. You can go to my team, you click on edit idea, and right now we don't have those fields, but at the right moment, the field to upload your deliverable 1 will appear here, and you can just copy and paste or upload your file and then click on update, and this is how you submit the deliverables to us. Another important thing is the challenge guide. On the challenge guide, if you click on this image, the challenge guide is the Bible, okay? The Bible for the hackathon participants, for the challenge participants. In here, you have all the details that I'm explaining right now. For example, how to submit the deliverables. You have this page, do this, do that. At this moment, this will appear, click on update, and so on. And also, since I mentioned the deliverables, in here, at the end, for example, of the ramp up and feed phase, you will see that we have the hyperlink to download the template of deliverable number 1. You just need to click here, and an automatic download will start, and we will give you the template that you can fill in. I was mentioning before the evaluation. In here, you can find all the details already of the evaluation rounds, the evaluation criteria that we will use, and also how the second round of evaluation will work. Again, we will cover this in more details in the next live session. Other points, soon we will add the coaches tab. Here you will see it on the left. And in the coaches tab, you will have the details about the background and skills and on what topic the coaches will be able to support you with. So there you will have an overview of the mentors that you can reach out. Types of mentors, very important. There will be 2 types of mentors. We will have vertical coaches. Vertical means that they will be assigned to your team. So you will have them in your own team chat, which I showed you before, in this one, for example, and they will be assigned specifically to your team. And then on the coaches channel, you will also have horizontal coaches. Horizontal coaches are coaches that can be reached out from any of the team on determined times, and they have specific skills. For example, skills in the legal department or in the AI department or in marketing, in business. So each one of them is a very different background. And that is why you can reach out to them, say, in a horizontal way. Yes, all the rest of the information is here. Terms and conditions, you can read them here. You also have them here on this tab. Another point, I've noticed that a couple of teams, they just have 1 team member, and they told me that they will add the new team member soon. So this is very important for us to have a clear overview of which eligible teams can participate. So if you can please go to your team here, My Team tab, and invite the other team members, that would be great. Okay. Let me see right now if we have some questions in the chat, but I don't see any. So let me close this. Let me check. No, we don't have any questions. Again, feel free to use the chat. But if everything is clear, we can save everybody a little bit more time and maybe go straight to the next steps. The next steps are basically that we will invite you soon for the planned virtual session number 2 for the 27th of February. If something changes, if the days changes or the agenda changes, we will inform you promptly. And again, the last important thing that I would like to remark is that it's important to join Discord. It's a centralized system. If you have any issues or trouble, reach out to me. One person already did, and we solved the issue. In some cases, maybe in the UAE or Saudi Arabia, there are some issues with Discord, I understand, but I've seen many people join. So if you have that problem, just let me know on Discord. Okay, I don't see again any question. I hope everything was pretty much clear. Again, we will record this session. We will make it available. And if we don't have any final remark from Dr. Mehdi or maybe Danial Mausoof or someone else from the Nokia team, I think we can close this session in advance.
Yeah, all is good from my side. So I think this session is recorded. So expect for those who did not manage, to attend the session, because maybe some of them they have a lab now. So that's why I understand if some maybe missed the session. But as long as it's recorded, and maybe I would send a message to all saying that we have the presentation is recorded, and so that they will have access to the video. So this will be helpful. And again, I thank you all to Nokia team, to you, Michele, and I wish all the participants the success through this program. So please, take it very seriously, and we hope to see really great prototypes by the end of this journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mehdi. And thank you to everyone. You will be informed with an email once the recording is available. And see you next time on the 27th of February for the live session number 2. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Thank you, Michele. Thank you, everyone.